Good morning friends, welcome to the pre-market view. Volatility has returned to the global markets. Yesterday we have seen US indices were down close to 2%. European indices were also down 2% after news that Greek Prime Minister has resigned. On the back of that, all the global markets were down. Coming over to the Asian markets, it has trickled down to the Asian markets also, and Asian markets are also trading down close to 2%. And SGX is suggesting that we are likely to open around 100 points down after yesterday's fall in the Indian markets also. So on the back of it, I'd like to call upon our derivatives expert to give you an insight on the day's trading view.
Good morning friends, we'll give view on derivatives. In yesterday's market, we have seen Nifty opening up with a negative bias in line with the negative cues from the international markets, and we have seen a gap down opening of around 20-30 odd points. And thereafter, every attempt of Nifty to go past the positive territory have failed and resulted in a selling pressure in Nifty, especially in the banking sector stock, which were the major underperformer in yesterday's trade, and due to which we have seen a constant selling pressure in Nifty, and eventually Nifty showed a bloodbath in yesterday's trade and has seen a sharp fall of around 100 odd points and eventually closed 1.5% lower at 8380.05. In last 4 to 5 trading sessions, we have been observing that Nifty has been trading in a range of around 8450 to 8550 odd levels, and we did mention that if any side of the range is broken, we may see the continuation in that in the momentum in that direction. And in yesterday's trade also, we have seen a break of around 8450, which was the crucial support for our market and also our VWAP level. And we have seen since after that Nifty inched lower and has seen significant amount of downside. Now the open interest terms, we have seen 5% addition in open interest. That is around 7.5 lakh shares were added in open interest. However, cost of carry was more or less same. That is at 4.5%, indicating some kind of short position was being built up by market participants in yesterday's trade. While if you see in the bank, Nifty has also seen a significant amount of addition, that around 15% was added in open interest in bank Nifty. Now both the major indices has seen some kind of short positions, which is a bit negative sign for our market. Put call ratio have again dipped lower after seeing a sharp upside in put call ratio. Now it has seen a sharp downside in yesterday's trade. This kind of activity don't see in a normal phenomena. It's kind of unusual activity where of course market participants has been finding out some kind of trend in the market, and and due to which we have been seeing a significant amount of volatility. Put call ratio have dipped around 12 odd basis point from 1.04 to currently 0.92 odd levels, and Indian volatility index have inched higher from 16.68 to 16.98 currently. Now the options activity not encouraging. The sign has been seeing in the options activity. 8,400 and 500 has seen a heavy pile up of open interest, which we feel is a short position which has been taken by market participants. 8,400 has seen an addition of around 81%, followed by 8,500 call option has seen an addition of around 47% in yesterday's trade. However, the interesting observation, the 8,200 strike price put option, which is the highest put base, has started seeing an unwinding despite market was 200 points higher, that is at around 8,400, we have started seeing an unwinding in 8,200 put option, which eventually triggered a negative sign in yesterday's trade only. It has seen an unwinding of around 5%, followed by 8,300 and 400 put option, which has seen an unwinding of around 7% and 33% respectively. Seeing the options data, we do feel that the sentiments of the markets are quite weak, and we might see Nifty drifting towards 8,200 and may below that, because 8,200 strike price have already started seeing an unwinding, which is a negative sign for our market. There are 3 securities in bank period for today's trade: Indiabulls Real Estate, India Cements and Jindal Steel. And FIS terms, they have been net sellers. However, the selling part have not been came due to the short build up. The selling part majority of the selling part have been came due to the long unwinding. There were net sellers of around 1,771 crores, and the open interest of FIS went down by around 3% in index futures only, indicating some kind of long unwinding was observed by FIS in yesterday's trade. Index options, there were net buyers of 751 crores, and stock futures there were net buyers of 342 crores, and stock options there were net sellers of 77 crores only. 5 days VWAP stands at 8480, and the lower range at 8,300 and higher range at 8480. Again, since with taking negative cues from the international markets, we might see a gap down opening and below our low range level of 8,300, indicating some kind of negative sign. SGX Nifty is trading 98 points lower at 8280, indicating a gap down opening can be expected in today's trade. That's it from derivatives. Thank you.
Now let's have a look at some of the trading ideas for the day. First is DEN Networks. DEN Networks gets FIPB approval to raise its FII investment limit to 74%. So this news is positive for DEN Network, and action to be taken is long DEN Networks. Current market price is 127 with a stop loss of 124.8 for a target of 131 and 133. The next trading idea is HCL Infosystems. HCL Infosystems has posted a loss of 41 crores for the June quarter. So this news is a bit negative, and we feel that short HCL Infosystems with a stop loss of 48.3 for a target of 45 and 44. On the other news, the government is expected to garner close to 3,000 crores from its auction of radio waves. MTech Auto has said that it is exploring fundraising options. All the founders have infused 75 crores immediately. Camson Bio signs MOU with AgroPark for cultivation of pineapple, that is organic pineapple cultivation. Dredging Corporation's OFS opens today. It is for today itself, and the floor price is set at rupees 382. SEBI has banned 59 entities which are suspected to be from trading for tax evasion. Vaibhav Global, the class action lawsuit has been filed against its arm in US. SEBI proposes to relax norms for infra investment trust. On the other news, small finance bank license could be given as early as next month, RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan has said. L&T scraps Gujarat port project citing environmental reasons. On the watch list front, stocks with positive bias are Amara Raja Batteries, current market price is 1047, CEAT Limited, current market price is 1123, RCOM, current market price is 61. Bajaj Finance on the negative side with the current market price of 5323. On the stocks for investment, we like L&T, current market price is 1135, Aditya Birla Nuvo, current market price is 2219, Tata Motors DVR, current market price is 243, Infi, current market price is 1135, Ultratech 3045 current market price. That's it friends from all of us. Thanks and have a nice trading session.